Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this I'm going to compare the default Baduans mobile game graphics comparison test between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. These three smartphones are from the Realme, which is Realme X2 Pro device, and second phone is a Realme X1 Max device, and third is a Realme GT Neo 2 device. And all the three smartphones, they do have the different kind of chipset, which is Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset and Dimensity 1200 and Snapdragon 870 chipset. Let's see what will be the default Baduans mobile game graphics comparison. That's what I'm going to compare between all of these three devices. And I'll try to explain you friends what is the maximum highest FPS you can actually play in individual smartphone as well. I'll try to show you the reality what is happening at this moment. So right now the Realme X2 Pro did open the game and you will be able to see exactly the settings. Let me show you the settings, what's going on. And in the Snapdragon 855 Plus, we do know, as you can see, which has got the 90 FPS support as well. Previously, not only now, long back in the Realme X2 Pro, we did get this kind of 90 FPS, right, in the PUBG and Baduans mobile game. So balanced and extreme HD and extreme HDR and extreme and ultra HD and ultra will be supported in the X2 Pro device. So X2 Pro has got highest level of graphics settings as possible, but there is some small catch, which is you cannot play at high refresh rate in this Realme X2 Pro device. Sometimes it doesn't work, but right now it's working. The main reason is because I did install the application from the Play Store, which is called the Set Edit application. By using this application, I was able to play at 90 FPS a Baduans mobile game forcefully. Yes. So right now I was able to get 90 FPS friends. Consistent I'm maintaining without even touching the screen. Also, the FPS will not decrease. Sometimes the brightness trick also works. Sometimes the brightness trick is not working in the Realme X2 Pro. It's not that consistent anyway. But finally, at least in one or other method, I was able to play 90 FPS in the Realme X2 Pro without any kind of issues. You will be able to see exactly the statistics, what is happening. And next phone is the Realme X1 Max device, and we don't know about the Realme X1 Max, which has got the 90 FPS, but unfortunately because of this software updates, right now 90 FPS has been completely capped to 70 FPS. You can see balanced and extreme HD and extreme HDR and extreme ultra HD and ultra is supported. So in the Realme X1 Max, the thing is that whatever you try, you cannot increase the FPS count above 70. 72, 71, 70 is the maximum you can actually get in the Realme X1 Max device. So that's another thing you should definitely note down after the recent update, 8.20 update. So that's the reason friends I did mention for a couple of other users, in case if you're playing the Baduans mobile game and if you want to play at 90 FPS, don't update. I did suggest to few of the users as well. So maybe in the next update they might be able to fix it, maybe with the 8.20 update, but exactly we are not sure with that whether they'll be fixing or not. Finally, with the Snapdragon 870 chipset, anyway, the Snapdragon 870 chipset still it's not ready for 90 FPS in this PUBG and the Baduans mobile game, unfortunately. Till now, there's no update at all. As you can see friends, clearly what is going on. These are the default graphics. So it's so sad to see the Snapdragon 870 is still not optimized properly for this Baduans mobile game, unfortunately. So hopefully with the next couple of updates, they should be able to do this kind of 90 FPS update. But right now with the Snapdragon 855 Plus and Snapdragon 865 and Snapdragon 888 processor also, we do have the 90 FPS. But right now in the Realme GT Neo 2 we cannot play it 90 FPS, unfortunately. That's kind of a little bit kind of drawback. The Realme X2 Pro was able to get 90 FPS without any kind of problem. The Realme X2 Pro, yes, it was able to get, but not the other phones. Realme X1 Max, it cannot get 90 FPS. Unfortunately, the Realme X1 Max device cannot get. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to help you out with all your queries as well. And this is a situation happening between all of these three smartphones. So only the Realme X2 Pro was able to play exactly at 90 FPS only using this Set Edit application. That's how it's kind of possible at this moment to play at 90 FPS. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.